Hey, green thumbs and urban gardeners! Are you dreaming of growing your own fresh, crunchy cucumbers but feel held back by limited outdoor space? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into the exciting world of growing cucumbers in pots or containers, right on your balcony or patio. That's right, no garden, no problem. Container gardening has revolutionized the way we think about growing our own food, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of space. Today, we're going to show you how to turn a small pot into a cucumber haven, ensuring you can enjoy homegrown cucumbers without a traditional garden. First things first, let's talk about the benefits of container gardening. It's space efficient, gives you better control over the growing environment, and offers the flexibility to move your plants for optimal growth. Plus, it's incredibly rewarding. Choosing the right variety of cucumbers is crucial. Bush cucumbers like Bush Pickle, Space Master, and Patio Snacker are perfect for pots. And when it comes to the container, make sure it's at least 12 to 16 inches deep with proper drainage. A well-draining potting mix is key. Combine peat moss, perlite, and vermiculite, and don't forget to add some organic matter for nutrients. Cucumbers are heavy feeders, so a slow-release fertilizer or a liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks will do wonders. Whether you're starting with seeds or seedlings, ensure they're planted in a sunny spot, as cucumbers love the sun. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. And remember, a trellis or support structure will help your cucumbers grow upwards, saving space and promoting health. As your cucumbers grow, keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Regularly inspect your plants and use organic methods to tackle any issues. And when it's time, harvest your cucumbers regularly to encourage more fruit production. And there you have it. With the right care, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of fresh cucumbers from your very own container garden. It's a simple, rewarding way to bring a bit of greenery and homegrown goodness into your life, no matter where you live. So, what are you waiting for? Get your pots ready, choose your cucumber varieties, and start your container gardening adventure today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And for more gardening tips and tricks, make sure to check out our other videos. Happy gardening! Until next time, keep those green thumbs up.